Looking for reliable lab performance without the full cost of new equipment? Meet the refurbished KNF N035AN.18 diaphragm pump from Galileo Scientific. This oil-free pump handles air, gases and vapours cleanly. No contamination, no mess. Its corrosion-resistant design is ideal for slightly aggressive or corrosive media. Operating at 30 litres per minute, it reaches a vacuum of 100 mbar and can pressurise up to 0.6 bar. That means pure evacuation and compression right when your experiments need it. Powered by a robust IP20 motor, it runs on standard 230 volts and only weighs 2.8 kilos, making it compact, efficient and easy to fit into any lab space. With an aluminum pump head, a durable CR diaphragm and stainless steel valves, this pump is built for long-term, maintenance-free use. It comes ready with a silencer, pressure relief valve and fine control valves, plus built-in pressure and vacuum gauges for full system control. Best of all, our experts at Galileo Scientific have reviewed, reconditioned and serviced this pump to perform like new at a fraction of the cost. Upgrade your lab with confidence, clean, efficient and ready to go. The KNF diaphragm pump is back and better than ever.